Welcome back everybody, and today I'm going to be doing mailbox time. Okay. First we're gonna start opening some mail, and I'm getting lots because I'm saying give me owls, give back. I'm not gonna open this one yet, but say aw, thank you. That was a spike though, I swear. Actually, no, I want to collect bonnets. I don't know, what should I give them? I don't want to do too much of this video of gifting, because I've gifted everybody that's gifted me all the gifts you see. I have 70 something. Okay. Oh, I'm mean. I'll just gift them, or something. I don't know. What should I give them? Should I give them this? Yes. I know I said I was going to collect those, but I don't think that's necessary. Hi. Okay. Here. I'm recording. Okay, so let's give them a beanie. Isn't that kind of always wanted a beanie? I have one. Okay, so let's start off with the bottom and go all the way to the top. We're going to start off with gift back from my sis B-Day, thank you. Ooh, squid hat. I actually really like squid hats for some reason. It's glitching. Oh, that was weird. Okay. From Blossomer. French braid. Ooh, I like it. It's glitching saying there still is one, but there's not. Ooh, rainbow mustache. I've actually never had one of those. I've kind of always wanted one. Oh, Period. Okay. Gazelle horns. That's actually really nice. Thank you. Demon mask. I haven't opened these, and I've been literally waiting. Rare stethoscope. That is actually pretty awesome, people. Actually, that could go as a good look, don't you think? No. I don't need that. Fairy wings. Oops. I have two new boxes, people. Okay. Oh. I have a gifted one. Okay. Rare star sunglasses. Okay. That's actually good. Thank you. Can I have it back? I was just testing if it was a skill. Oh, you can have it back. They were talking to me. I was like, what? Here, let's start from the top, actually. It's kind of hard. This time, be good. Let's see what she gave me. Let me go ahead and reload, people. I have two things in my new inbox, and it's glitching out on me for some reason. This is my problems. I literally cannot seem to do this right. She wants good stuff, but I mean, I don't really have. Do you have anything good for, a donation? It's for me. For a donation. Okay, yes, I do actually, because I just got a whole bunch of new stuff. So, I mean, why don't they enjoy the same joy I just did when I got that? Yes, there you go. Okay, hi everyone. Sand TV. I can go buy that in stores right now. Thank you so much. Oh, I can also buy that. Has tricked all my items. Freedom mask. People, that is awesome. I don't know why. Okay. OMG, thanks, go. Oh, epic waterside finish. Yay. Oh, I did not expect that, people. That was unexpected. Ooh, thank you, that's so pretty. I should be saying like thank you to like the person. Oh, floppy hat, I love those things. Oh, thank you so much. Lighting Rumors, I've never even heard of them. On this, oh, mystery, I got a book. Another wristwatch. Here you go. Oh, I think I'll get it. Oh, it's black. Thank you so much, actually. Thank you. Oh, so get them. Okay, I have 50 left. Okay. Oh people, that's a good stuff for Thank you so much. Sorry, that was really Oh, necklace, thank you so much. I mean, the gift is good. Thank you so much. I love dragons 46. So good. Yes, that is so good. It is so good. It is worth spikes. So good. Yeah, it is so good. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. I don't know why they did that, but oh, okay. No, I'm sorry. I'm not in the mood to get rid of my only spike right now. Well, actually, no, it's not. Candy cane worms! Thank you so much! I love that. That's actually really cool. Thank you, Molly Monkey. What? What is that? Huh? I legit don't know what that is. Phantom mask! Thank you so much. I've always wanted one of these. I've never told anybody, but this is like one of my dream items. Thank you so very much. Heart locket, thank you. Actually, I think those things are really cute. You can wear them, and they actually are. Candy cane socks, thank you so much. Necklace, thank you so much. No one falls for this anymore? It's not falling for anything. Sorry, I'm picking out way too much, people. Thank you so very much for that. Hold on, thank you guys. I'm actually trying to save those up. I don't know what chamber skulls are, but thank you so much. Thank you. I'm literally freaking out. I should probably look. Oh, another heart locket. Thank you. Thank you. Yay! I love those things. They're just cute. So, I don't know. Ancient tail armor. I have no clue what that's worth, but I'm gonna search that up later. Thank you so much. Really's alpha tail armor? Is that worth anything? I don't know. I'll have to search it up. I'm actually serious. I don't know anything about this stuff. So, I mean, if I knew it was really rare, then I would probably be freaking out a lot more, but I don't know. Or Viking's hat. Thank you. Hat and beard. Thank you so very much. Fedora. Never actually wore one of those, but thank you. Thank you again. And again. Thank you. And again. Oh, I think this is the same. Okay, so I gifted them, and I guess they... Oh! Thank you so much. I don't think it's actually data. Nope, not data. But, I mean, it's the thought that counts. I think that thought was more than epic. Oh, thank you. These are actually my stuff that I all gifted back, and I guess he's gifting me them all back now. See, I gifted him back all this stuff. I didn't exactly. Oh, thank you. Actually, it's cute. I could buy that. Oh, that's the second one I've got in the mail today. 13 left. Wow, I used to have 60, and now this. Okay. What? What? I have no clue what that means. Okay. I don't even know. Oh, third. Okay. I don't know what may I have no one means. Elf shoes, I believe? Yes. Okay. Oh, thank you so very much. Cupcake hats, I love them. Painter's tail, I already have one. I can do this for a giveaway, I think. I don't honestly know. Shamrock glasses, thank you so very much. Mohawk, thank you, actually, very much. Thank you so very much. I've never actually seen one like that. Oh yeah, I already opened that at the bottom. Thank you so very much, and for the last one. You did not send back. I'm actually questioning. Okay. So I'm on video, and I have no new mail. So, let's see everything that I got. I have 74 items now. This is because everybody was so kind, and I'm wearing a pretty cool thing right now. That is epic, people. That's a rare. It didn't say it was rare, though. I don't know what the whole fortune thing was though. What was that? Am I the only person that saw that? The fortune. Let me go back. I don't know what the fortune thing was. Then what is the New Year's fortune? I have no clue what that meant, people. Do you? No, I don't. What's what is Greeley Alpha Tail Armor? Greeley Alpha Tail Armor worth. Okay, let's see if it's worth anything good. Nope, I can go and buy it in stores right now. Can I? I don't know, honestly. So let's go back to here, and I would love to figure out what that is. Anybody could tell me. Oh, wait, is it music? Hi, oh. Blackout Spike, no thank you. Okay, so let's see if it's actually music. Yes. Thank you. Send what back? I'll send back. I don't know what it is. She tell me, and then I'll just add it to her. Because, I mean, no big deal. What did you send? Sorry. I forgot. I'll send. Just tell me what it is. Okay. Oh, and this is an epic masterpiece, people. I'm liking it myself. My new epic, okay. I'll send her it. I didn't know. I honestly, when I say, I think people get confused. I don't know. Send. There. Okay, people. I just sent it back. Thank you guys so much for watching on my first mail time, and I wanted to say thank you to everybody that gifted me, because 70-something gifts is awesome. And so, I got a lot of stuff that I did not expect I would get, which I love that thing, and I just wanted to say thank you so very much, because you do not know how much I appreciate everything that was gifted, and how big this is actually. So, thank you so very, very, very much for watching. And I hope you comment down below, like, subscribe, and tell me how you think this video went, because I think it was epic. Love you. Bye!